Okay, that's the Renault Espace from 2010. Let's see how to modify the clock, which is here in the upper right corner of this LCD screen of the navigation. So the current time is 1 and 42 minutes, that is 13 o'clock, and here we have 14 o'clock. Okay, so to adjust the time we need to use these buttons. We will enter the menu using the set button, and we will navigate using this one: up, down, left and right, and press it in to enter into something. Okay, so press the set button. Set. Okay, after pressing set, this one is shown. Now go down, so just press this thing down and go down to clock. Now press in that button and enter into clock. Okay, and here we have daylight saving time. Now it's enabled. We have a yellow dot near the on text. So currently the time is 14 o'clock, as you can see in the upper right corner. If I press in the button, now it's 13 o'clock. 14 when it's enabled, 13 when it is disabled. So just press this one in or in. Okay, so make sure that one is removed. Now the clock is 1 hour behind. Now go back using the back button, and that's it. Back again, and we are out from that menu. So 13 o'clock, and here we have also 13, which is 1 p.m. Okay, that's how to adjust the time inside this Renault Espace from 2010.